in Year 4. Welcome to our first celebration assembly of this new online learning period. First of all, I just want to say very well done to every single person who's completed any of the online learning tasks over the last few weeks. It hasn't been easy, I'm sure, for yourself and for teachers like us. It's not been easy, so very, very well done to anyone who's completed anything. It really is an accomplishment, so well done. This set of certificates are to those children who have submitted some work to their year group emails, either Year 3 or Year 4, and achieved an emerald as a result. So there's children that have produced exceptional pieces of work or made a huge improvement in the work that they have been sending in. So don't feel too disappointed if you don't see your name in this emerald list. We also will have next week's celebration assembly, so you can try extra hard during the week to get your name on next week's emerald list. Now, this list is only up until Thursday lunchtime, as it's a bank holiday today on Friday, so it was only up until yesterday lunchtime. So we will include in next week's celebration assembly all the great work that comes in on Friday, but also on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday lunchtime next week. So even more time to get your work sent into your year groups and get yourself an emerald certificate. So we will get ourselves started. And let me just put myself down here. So as I can say, we do have our celebration assembly. Again, a huge well done to absolutely everyone. So we are going to start with Year 4 and Parks class. Huge well done to Habiz and Asia and Emo also. Well done, Parks class. Now moving on to Mandela. Well done to Murthaga and Shravan. Very well done to Mandela class. Now on to Tubman class. Well done to Shahak. Well done to Samaya. Well done Abdullah. Well done Vita. Well done Amos. Well done Sana. Very well done Michelle. Well done Princess. Well done Siobhan. Well done Dikshan. Well done Vivian. Very well done Ansaar. Another emerald for Shahak. Another emerald for Pepita. And another emerald for Amos. Very well done to everyone who's achieved an emerald this week for your exceptional online learning work that you have emailed into your year groups. Do make sure, if you want to get your name on next week's celebration assembly, make sure that you complete your online learning, but even more important as well, or just as important, take a photo of it, or if you typed it, then just save a copy and email it to your year group email addresses, which is either YR3 or YR4 at grange.harrow.sch.uk. And I'm able to see some of those emails, so I'm really looking forward to seeing lots of your emails and lots of your hard work next week. Have a good bank holiday weekend, enjoy it, stay safe, stay indoors, and I hope to see you soon. Bye now.